Multiplication. This is the fourth chapter of mathematics textbook, grade 1. Objectives for today's lesson are: children will be able to learn to do multiplication, solve the given word problems. Let's start a lesson with mental starter. The given question is, how many cherries altogether? Yes, you have to find out the total number of cherries, and you know so very well how to solve it. You are in practice of doing it. Take your time. Let's come up with the answer. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. There are 8 cherries in all. Hope your answer is correct. Good job. Moving on towards main activity of the lesson, the given question is, how many flowers altogether? One way of finding total number of flowers is repeated addition. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. Another way is numbers in each group multiplied by number of groups. Children, numbers in each group mean flowers in each group, and we have 4 flowers in each group, and we have 5 groups of flowers. The sign of cross is the sign of multiplication. We will place the relevant values to make a multiplication sentence. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. We need to have same number of things in each group for making such multiplication sentence. Let's do some more practice regarding multiplication. The given question is, how many flowers altogether? One way of finding the total number of flowers is repeated addition. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. And the other way is flowers in each vase multiplied by total number of vases. And it makes a sentence: 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Alright children, now this is the time to do some more practice of multiplication on your own. How many altogether? You have to find out the total number of things for each of the given picture. So just try it yourself. Recall that how to make a multiplication sentence and work it out. Take your time and match your answers later on. Coming up with the answers for the first picture. The multiplication sentence is 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. And for the second picture, the multiplication sentence is 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. You can count the things at the end to ensure your answer. Hope your answers are correct. Well done. Moving on with multiplication. While multiplying a number by 10, simply add a 0 at the end of that number. Let's discuss the given questions. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. In the same way, work out the rest of the parts and match your answers later on. Let's come up with the answers. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. Last one, 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. Hope all of your answers are the same. Good job! Well, let's do some more practice regarding multiplication. Look at the given picture very carefully and complete the given statements. There are dash fish bowls. Each fish bowl has dash fish. Dash groups of dash is equal to dash. Dash multiplied by dash is equal to dash. There are dash fish. Take your time, complete the statements and match your answers later on. Let's come up with the answers. There are 3 fish bowls. Each fish bowl has 5 fish. 3 groups of 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. And our answering statement is there are 15 fish. You have done a good job. Hope all of your answers are correct. Now comes the video time regarding multiplication. Watch the relevant video and don't forget to note down the main points.
Let us solve some multiplication stories with only one-digit numbers. How about reading some stories and then using the tables we have already learnt to find the product? So, let us begin. There are 2 boxes of cookies. Each box has 7 cookies. How many cookies are there in all? First, we read this story. What information does it give? 2 boxes of cookies and 7 cookies in each box. Now, let us see what we have to find out. How many cookies are there in all? We have to multiply 2 and 7 to find the total number of cookies. We know that 2 into 7 is equal to 14, as we have already studied the table of 7. Look, we found the answer. In all, we have 14 cookies. Let's have these yummy cookies. Look at the 4 bowls. There are 8 red juicy apples in each. How many apples are there in all? The answer can be found by multiplying 4 and 8. Thus, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Well done, friends! There are 32 apples in all. Woohoo! Wasn't solving these stories with one-digit numbers very easy?
Hope the video was interesting and the concept of multiplication is quite clear to you. So we can move towards the written task for day 1. You need to complete page number 68, 69 and 70 of textbook. Written task for day 2. Complete page number 71, 72 and 73 of textbook. Now comes the written task for day 3. This page number 74 and 75 of textbook. Children, you need to take care of one thing, that learning tables is very important to work out multiplication. Without learning tables properly, you cannot work out multiplication accurately. Written task for day 4. Complete page number 76 of textbook. This is the word problem section regarding multiplication. Moving towards the recap session of the lesson. Work this out very carefully and match your answers later on. Let's come up with the answers starting from part A. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Part B. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. And part C. 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. Hope your answers are correct. You have done a wonderful job. Children, don't forget to learn all the tables properly and do all the given tasks very carefully and very neatly, whether to be done in the notebook or textbook. And take good care of yourself.